This is a Goby fish. This is a Anabas fish. This is a eel. This is a catfish. This is a anchovy fish. This is a snapper fish. This is a grouper fish. This is a bluegill fish. This is a Asian arowana fish. This is a great white shark. This is a largemouth bass fish. This is a scad fish. This is a Atlantic mackerel fish. This is a Ocellaris clownfish fish. This is a Atlantic salmon fish. This is a red drum fish. This is a neon tetra fish. This is a European perch fish. This is a Basa fish. This is a gilt-head green fish. This is a Pterophyllum scalare fish. This is a Guppy. This is a Zander fish. This is a Atlantic bluefin tuna fish. This is a white bass fish. This is a Zebrafish. This is a Siamese fighting fish. This is a common carp fish. This is a goldfish. This is a guppy fish. This is a Nile tilapia fish. This is a swordfish. This is a blue tang fish. This is a ryu fish.